Okay, for this day, I will explain for you how to make material and render. So in the last session, so can you see this location? This is an old project for me, maybe from 5 years. And I collected this location for a game. Okay. If you will see, this is a mountain, and inside this racing area and some 3D objects. If I want to build something like that, at first I must understand how I will do it. Yani, it means that if I want to do something like that, I must have a paper and pencil, and I will try to draw imagination. I will imagine how it will be. I will put here something like that, and I will put here something like that, and this is my racing. It will be as you can see here. Okay, for example, this is a frame from the video. Can you see this location? This is kids town. Okay, and I built this train like that, and I brought these trees in 3D. I designed everything like that. Okay, so if you want to make something like that, you must look for a reference for yourself. Maybe you can search in Behance, you can write 3D, and you can find a lot of things you can design. Okay, for example, this one. This is a good reference. Maybe you can do something like that. At first, you will try to imagine how to draw this. After that, in the second step, how to design this drawing into 3D. Okay, so for making games in this year, I will teach you how to make a simple objects. So like a cone, like a wall, like a road. This is our objects which we will use in our game. So at first, I will delete this cube, and I will delete camera. I will delete the light, because I will not use this camera or light in Unity. Only I will use the 3D object. So here I will add from mesh plane. Okay, everyone. And if you can see here, this data or this details, I will change this for the first time. If I will click here, it will disappear, and at the same time, I couldn't do it now. I couldn't change anything now. So if I want to do this, I will go for plan, and it will appear with me for the first time. And here I will write, for example, in X direction, I will change the size. Maybe I can do it here like that. Can you see? This is scale 1, but here 5.6. So I can make this, for example, 10. Okay, everyone. And here in this area, I have 1 meter. I can change this into 3. I will use this plan to build my road, okay, in Unity. So now I can divide this area. I can make, for example, here, new extrude, and here also I will make new extrude. For example, I will go for edit, and I will use edge, and I will choose this one, and here I will use extrude like that. Can you see? I have new area, new plugin, new polygon or surface like that. And I can here say, for example, it will be 1 meter like that. Okay. Here also, I will do it like that, and I will make this 1 meter. What I will do, I want to divide this for the root platform. Do you know that here's some bricks here, white and black, white and black, white and black, or white and yellow sometimes? Okay. So what I will do, I will choose this edges. At first I will choose this face like that. And I will make extrude like that, and it will be here 0.5 like that. Okay. And I will delete this here face, and I will delete from keyboard. I am pressing delete. Also, I will do it here. Delete faces, and here delete faces. Okay. Now I will build my root. So I will choose this edges like that. And here also, this edge, I couldn't take it. I will press Shift, and I will choose this like that. Okay. And here from loop cut, I will divide this into, for example, I can make this cuts into 10. It will be like that. Okay. From faces, I can choose this face. I will press Shift. After that, I will add new material for this area. Okay. Here, I will choose material, and I will press new, and I will make this material, for example, gray, like that. Okay. As you can see, I couldn't see the material, so I will press here in viewport shading. It's the material for all object. No problem. I will choose here faces in this area, and here I will make new material like that, and this material, it will be white, for example, and I will assign the material for this area. As you can see, the material only assigned in this objects, in this faces. Okay. After that, I will choose this one. Okay. And now I will make new material, and it will be black or yellow, no problem. And I will assign this like that. Now I build my root. So I can save this object in my machine. After that, I will import the object into the Unity. So at first, I will go for export And here from export, I will use FBX, this object. Here you can find a lot of extensions. Okay, for example, STL. I am using this STL for 3D design, 3D printing. If I want to build something and print this, I can use STL. Okay, FBX is a famous extension, and I can use this extension to export my object for any program, whatever. GLB like FBX, but it giving me size, low size, not high size like FBX. FBX, if I have animation for the object, I can export this animation. But in GLB, I couldn't do it. I will export my object from FBX, and I will choose in my machine, for example, here, I will make new folder, and I will call this DR9 game. And here, inside this folder, I will export my FBX. Now, everyone, if I will open Unity, I can see this new project, and I will choose 3D. And here I will rename my project like that, for example, DR9. And here I will choose the location for my project like that. And here I will click create project. It will take a long of time, few minutes to open Unity. Why? Because here it's building now it's giving me this folder. He is building these folders inside my game. I can find these folders inside the project of Unity. Now, everyone, after opening Unity, I will import here like that. I will import the object. So I will create at first a folder, and I will call this folder for objects, for example, or 3D. Okay. And inside this folder, I will click here. I will open this folder like that, and I will import. I will choose this here, and I will open. As you can see, this is my object. I will take this object like that, and I will drag and drop here. So I can see my object here in Unity, and in the same time, if I will open Unity folders here in assets, I will find this 3D object with which I built here, and also I will find my object here like that. After that, I can take this here in my hierarchy. I can find my object like that. Okay, everyone, it's our first object for Unity. I didn't say anything in Unity for yet, so I will speak Unity in another time. But now we will start to open or to model our 3D objects. For this week, I want from you to build something like that, a road. And if you want to have a special project for you, you can write the idea